There's a lot going on here.
He's snuffing.
He's snorting.
Your mom used to say that. Oh, boy, she's snuffing. He goes, I got some video of him yelling.
I got you, little guy. I got you, little
Is that
guy.
her grandbaby too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, you're gonna be spoiled, my man. Oh my
Alright,
goodness.
time to go see Mom.
Hold on, you get to go love on mommy.
Going to go see Mom.
Hold on, we're gonna change. I'm gonna change. I'll just let him while he's in Mama's arms too. Okay, big guy, hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna tuck him in here. I'm gonna unwrap him a little bit. And tuck him in. Let's see, I'm gonna wrap him this way. Getting caught up here. There we go. I promise I won't let him go, but I want to do a little bit more.
Okay.
Because he needs to be next to you. It's amazing how it's good for them, okay?
Okay.
And we can cover you up after. Just get you.
It's so cute. Here, Rick. Hey, remember me? Hey, Rick.
There's a lot going on right now.
Sweetheart. I know.
It's okay.
I know. This is a lot. This is a lot that's going on. I know, sweetheart. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Yeah, you remember me? You were inside of me yesterday.
Decided to come a little early.
You're a good baby. Yeah. You're a really
I got
good
another
buddy.
blanket to cover both you guys. 1 second, okay?
You're a really good buddy, okay? I know, this is hard. But you're doing really good. You are. You're doing great. Yeah, you're working hard. You got good lung capacity. it seems
Yes, we
like.
do. We hear it.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to get in your way. He's gonna keep hollering at us.